This man is washing his car outside of the house. So we're staring at him from the couch, and he heard me scream, "Meh!"
He keeps looking at us, man.
And he wants me to die, and I can tell.
I don't know why he's looking at us, man. We're not the ones in front of his house.
He's in front of my house. I did not...
That's the obvious. He is that.
He's bald.
Yes, he is.
He's a cue ball. Can't see shit, Captain. Yeah, we're taping you. He's looking.
The fuck are you doing?
He's counteracting the cell phone.
I'm going to pretend like I'm calling somebody.
Well, he probably calling whoever he's picking up.
Reason to sit here.
I have physical proof you were in front of my house now.
My
I just did that part.
Well, I did it again.
Cool. We've been up since... How many times are you going to scrape the same block?
He's like washing the same part.
Oh, he's trying to get behind the beam so I can't tape him. I got him.
Dude, this car's not even dirty.
How much do you want to bet it's the neighbors that live upstairs?
He's wiping it with a dirty rag. That makes so much sense.
I love how much staring at people from my own house could scare them. All I'm doing is looking at him. Why are you... What is he looking at?
I'm clean.
Germaphobe.
A black person walking up with a retarded smile on his face.
Actually, I think that's our neighbor.
And
the hazing may have worked.
I guess you just had to have something to do.